There's parts that are still underwater. What we don't know is the full extent and the impact at this point.
In the greater Austin area, there has been a realization among churches that when crisis strikes, there's more they can do together than apart. As a result, the Austin Disaster Relief Network was formed. It's a coalition of over 175 churches that are ready to provide help in disaster, and their bandwidth is being tested right now from the devastation of Hurricane Harvey.
We have been charged by the mayor's office in collaboration with the city of Austin and the county for the church through ADRN to take lead on distribution management for the entire city. It's been remarkable to see the line and car after car throughout the day. We're calling upon network churches, we're calling upon not yet network churches to join in these efforts.
At this point, thousands of cars representing the Austin community have brought supplies. And while the complete picture of Hurricane Harvey's impact in southeast Texas is still unknown, in the meantime, the supplies that have been donated will be distributed as quickly as possible to where they're most needed.